Hi, Peter and Sue-Ann from Customer Frame. Hope you're keeping well in these tough times.
Like many of you, we've seen our 2020 plans completely change. Boy, has it been an emotional roller coaster.
We've had to recalibrate what we're going to do in the new world and what business is going to look like and really make ourselves fit for the future.
We realised that others are probably going through this too. Leaders and business owners lost and unsure what to do next. Unsure what the best investment of time, resources and money to help recovery. What's going to make a difference and what isn't.
Customer is the key to your recovery. It's the foundation you must rebuild your business upon. They're the ultimate reason that you're in business because, well, without them, there is no you.
So introducing the Customer Recovery Program. This program is for business leaders, owners, entrepreneurs, department heads, even employees who have found themselves affected by the crisis and unsure what to do next. Perhaps you have some plans, but you're not 100% sure if they're right, or you don't have any plans at all. This program is for you.
So, well, what is this Customer Recovery Program? It's a 6-module program. We'll help you build a recovery plan that will see you emerge from the crisis stronger than ever, with a more resilient and future-proof business.
You'll gain new skills and techniques to give you the confidence and conviction in the decisions you make, knowing you're heading in the right direction to a strong recovery.
You'll come up with actions that you and your team can implement now to get back on your feet as quickly as possible. From the little things to the big things and everything in between, everything will be impactful around your customer.
You'll know where to put your effort, your time, your money for the greatest impact and the quickest path to recovery.
And the best part of this program is that together we develop a prioritized plan of action that will pave your path to recovery.
So by investing time with us now and working through this program, you'll walk away with a plan that you can get started on straight away, knowing with absolute certainty that you're doing the right things for your business and for your customer.
So no more second guessing your decisions or changing direction or flipping from one task to another.
Yep. No, we want you to stop struggling, stop wasting resources, stop trying to figure out what your next move should be. Join us in the Customer Recovery Program and you'll walk away through the next 6 to 12 months confident that your plan is the right plan for a strong recovery.
So to get started, register your interest for the Customer Recovery Program at the link below.
We look forward to seeing you there.